Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So we all have heard about drop shippings, and basically the very first thing which comes up to our mind is AliExpress drop shipping. So today we will be discussing and reviewing it. So Ali Dropshipping offers premium stores, ready-made stores based on successful models. They have a pre-built with winning products, descriptions, and a designed websites. So no need for coding or product research. However, marketing and scaling are still on you. If you talk about customizations and designs, basically you get a fully designed WordPress store with AliDropship's plugin. You can customize branding, pricing, product selection, but if you want full control, building a store from scratch might be a better option. These stores are SEO friendly, but success depends on how well you drive traffic using ads, social media, or SEO strategies. Unlike Shopify or AliDropship, has no monthly fees, which helps maximize profits. So, talking about pricing and monetization, premium stores starts at around $300 plus per month. You can add hosting, automation, marketing services for extra costs, but it's like a one-time investment. And ad spend is necessary to traffic ban. And I want to correct myself when I said $300 per month. I meant you have to pay $300 for the premium store, and that's it. So if you want a ready-to-go dropshipping store with no monthly fees, Elite Dropshipping is a solid choice. But if you prefer building your own unique brand, Shopify or WooCommerce might be a better option. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.